Okay, good evening, my dear students. And remaining part of mitosis and what are the neat areas possible out of mitosis. Okay, and yesterday we did small mistake. Please rectify it. What was that mistake? 2n chromosome number 4 I took initially, changed into 4n chromosome number 4n 8. 8 divided by 2 you have to take. By mistake, I took 4. That is wrong one. 8 divided by 2 daughter cells. So per daughter cell, how many possible? 2n chromosome number 4. So instead of giving like this, what I give like this, 2n chromosome number 4, 2n chromosome number 4. Okay, so change it please, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what about the significance of mitosis, importance of mitosis in plant life cycle? Importance of a life cycle. Okay, so first one, it is concerned with growth and development. It is concerned with growth and development of a organism. Second one, genetic integrity. Genetic integrity. Here, genetic integrity means same type of genetic material. Same type of genetic material. Genetic integrity, what is the meaning of that one? Same type of genetic material in the organism. In the organism. Genetic integrity in cells, all cells, in all cells of multicellular organism. Organism is maintained by it. Okay, so there is no change in the genetic material, means no genetic variations. No variations. Variations are absent. No genetic recombinations. So simply within an organism, all the cells are having same type of genetic material because of mitosis in all multicellular organisms. Wound healing, wound healing and regeneration of lost parts. For example, in lizard, if tail is removed, that tail will be regenerated because of mitosis. Okay. Next, fourth one, cell repair. Okay, cell repair. Old cell will be replaced by old cell.
Sir,
Sir.
video is not appearing.
Sorry for the disturbance. Cell repair. Old cell is replaced by new daughter cells. New cells. Okay. Next, fifth one. Restoring nucleocytoplasmic ratio. This is very, very important. Restoring nucleocytoplasmic ratio. What is the meaning of nucleocytoplasmic ratio? For example, this is a youngest cell. Youngest cell. Okay. And this is the nucleus. Okay. So now this nucleus is able to regulate all metabolic reactions taking place within this area. Okay. Right. But during course of development, what about cell volume increased, but there is no increase in the nucleus. So here the nucleocytoplasmic ratio is optimum nucleocytoplasmic ratio. Optimum means 1:1, for example. So this nucleus is able to regulate all the vital activities in that much area only, like a cell tower. The cell tower is able to regulate, able to distribute signals within 15 kilometers radius only. Beyond that one, no signal. For example, this is a cell tower. Airtel or Jio or whatever it is. So it is able to disseminate so-called signals up to 15 kilometers only. Okay, so at the time of establishment of a tower, public are within the 15 kilometers only, but after 10 years, expanded up to 50 kilometers. Now, this tower is not able to supply signals to that much distantly located public. So compulsory, one more tower required or not? Cell tower. Okay, so like that, in this cell, nucleocytoplasmic ratio is optimum, 1:1 ratio. But here, nucleocytoplasmic ratio is disturbed. So nucleocytoplasmic ratio disturbed. Nucleocytoplasmic ratio disturbed. Suppose here I'm taking 1:1, for example only, not exactly 1:1, but here, see, this one is a nucleus, for example. This one is a cytoplasm, for example only. Here come nucleus, 1, but cytoplasmic content 10. So much gradient difference is present. Now, this nucleus is not able to regulate vital activities in that much amount of cytoplasm. So, nucleocytoplasmic ratio disturbed. Okay, so once nucleocytoplasmic ratio is disturbed, what about the metabolic rate? Metabolism decreases. Okay, so now that is old cell. Okay, right? So now mitosis. After mitosis, two cells are produced. Cell 1, cell 2. Here 1:1 ratio. Here also 1:1 ratio. Nucleocytoplasmic ratio is restored. So this cell with the nucleus cytoplasm 1:1. Nucleocytoplasmic ratio is restored. So see, cell repair. Old cell is replaced by new cells for that one. Okay, any objection? Is it clear?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting? Yes. Copy it, please. Okay, completed.
Sir, just a minute.
Okay.
Okay, sir, completed.
Okay. Just I gave you just supposed only. They are not exact values. Just to understand the concept, I gave you like this. Okay. Next, this part is very, very important. In 2019 and 20 also, They ask this question. This is very, very important. What is that one? G naught phase. G naught or quiescent stage. 2 times they ask. Okay, so what is a G naught phase? Okay, for example, this is a mother cell mitocyte. Division completed. After completion of division, 2 daughter cells are produced. Okay, 2 daughter cells may or may not continue the cell cycle. So now they are at, for example, G1 phase. G1 phase. Daughter cells are at G1 phase. What are those cells? Daughter cells. After completion of mitotic division, 2 cells are produced. Now, what about the fate of these cells? They may continue cell division again. So here I'm writing continuation of cell division or may take exit or exit taking exit from G1 phase, taking exit from G1 phase, and they go into G0 phase. Okay, so cell at G0 phase, cell at G0 phase. G0 phase is with suspended cell cycle or mitosis. Cell cycle suspended. So suspension means either temporarily or permanently. What is that suspension? Suspension. Suspended. What is suspension? Either permanently. Either permanently or temporarily. This is the concept on the basis of which they asked one question. G naught. Okay, correct statement. Taking exit from the cell cycle, already took exit. After taking exit, it is called as G naught. So correct one is suspended for cell division. Suspension means either permanently or temporarily. Okay, is it clear?
Sir, not understood. Once again explain.
NEET 2019 and 20. So this is a mother cell. Okay, mother cell divided into 2 daughter cells. These 2 daughter cells may continue the cell division or not. If they are not continuing cell division, they are taking exit from the G1 phase and entering into G0. Okay, so the cell at G0 phase is metabolically active, but cell division is suspended. Cell cycle is suspended. What is that suspension? Either permanently or temporarily. So either permanently means no cell division, not at all possible. For example, in our body, heart cells, neurons, muscles, after certain period of growth, all the cells will enter into G0 phase. In our brain also, are you able to increase the size of the brain? And the size of the heart by doing exercise? No, not possible. Are you able to regenerate neurons, nerve cells by cell division? No, not possible. There is no cell division. Reason, in our heart cells, muscular cells, neurons, the cells are permanently at G naught phase, means permanently quiescent, no cell division. So here two probabilities are present, either permanently or temporarily. So permanently failed, what are the examples? No division forever. Dead cells. Dead cells. Okay, no cell division. Next, our heart cells. Heart cells. Next, nerve cells. Nerve. For example, poliomyelitis. By birth, nerve cells damaged. That individual is not able to regenerate nerve cells. And muscle cells also, muscular cells, muscles also. No cell division. In the case of plants, for example, sclerenchyma, dead. Sclerenchyma, dead cell. In the anatomy studied, sclerenchyma, muscles, okay, sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma, dead cells. But what about parenchyma? Parenchyma is able to regain mitotic ability. So here cells are able to regain mitotic.
Sir,
Wait. 1 minute, please. Regain mitotic ability. What is your doubt?
sir, muscles can develop, no, sir. Muscles can
No.
continue
No.
their growth.
No. That is not cell division. Of course, no 6-pack, 7-pack తీసుకుంటున్నావు కదా?
No, sir, other body organ, arms.
No, that is not muscle. Muscle cell means not so-called khanda. మీరు రోజుతో డిస్కస్ చేయండి అమ్మా. మజిల్ సెల్స్ వేరే ఉంటాయి. కన్సర్న్డ్ విత్ మూమెంట్. మజిల్ సెల్స్ కన్సర్న్డ్ విత్ మూమెంట్ లైక్ దట్.
Sir, this mitosis, mitocycle will done by loss of a సెల్ నో సార్. ఇప్పుడు సెల్ లేకుంటే కదా జనరేట్ చేయడానికి సెల్ సైకిల్ ఫాలో అవుతుంది. మరి ఇప్పుడు జీ నాట్ ఫేజ్ లోకి వెళ్ళడం ఎందుకు సార్?
అది మీకు ఎనాటమీలో డ్యూరింగ్ ఎనాటమీ మెరిస్టమాటిక్ సెల్స్ ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు ప్రొడ్యూస్ పారెన్కైమా, కోలెన్కైమా, స్క్లెరెన్కైమా, primary xylem, primary phloem produce a not. So for
Yes.
growth and development, meristematic cell have to take exit from the cell cycle. In anatomy, what you studied? Parenchyma, product of differentiation. So, okay, parenchyma is at the G naught phase. So to increase body biomass, production of permanent cells is mandatory. Okay, is it clear?
ఓకే సార్.
Cells which are able to regain mitotic ability, for example, parenchyma. During secondary growth of dicot stem, you studied that parenchymatous cells present in the medullary ray are able to regain and able to form intervascular cambium.
Intercalary.
Okay. Yeah, intervascular cambium. Intercalary meristem is primary meristem. Intercalary meristem. For example, this is a dicot stem, vascular bundle 1, 2, 3, 4, certain number. This is intravascular cambium. And in between, intervascular cambium. Yeah, this is here parenchyma is present. That parenchyma is able to regain mitotic ability to execute a secondary growth. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. So now it took exit from the G1. Now it is called as G0. If it wants to come back to cell division again, we'll enter into G1 phase. That depends. Okay. So exit from the G1, entered into G0. Okay, so if cell division is possible, if it is required, temporarily abolished, able to regain, it will come back to and enter into G1 phase and continue the cell cycle. Okay, is it clear? Copy it.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Hmm.
sir, for example, for temporarily,
Parenchyma. You can take parenchyma.
say in humans.
In human being means better you ask Joel, sir.
Okay, sir.
I can't answer. I can't answer it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, in plant, I can give you so many examples. Parenchyma, wherever it is, temporarily abolished. Collenchyma, some extent, able to regain mitotic ability. Sclerenchyma, no. Permanently no mitotic division. Sclerites, no. Okay?
Okay,
Is it
sir.
clear? Now I am ready. Copy it first.
COVID, sir.
Shall I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Please.
Okay. So now sums on mitosis. Numericals. Problems. Okay. Okay. Visible heading. What
Yes,
about
sir.
heading? Okay. Yeah. First one. One cell, one plant cell divides into two daughter cells for every 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Okay. So one plant cell divides into two daughter cells for every 20 minutes. Okay. So this cell continued cell division, that is mitosis division, for 1 hour. Continued for 1 hour. This cell continued cell division for 1 hour. So now the question is, what is the total number of cells present now?
Sir, 6.
8, sir.
8.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So simply how to answer this one? First,
2 cube.
complete concept. So take one cell. One cell divides into two cells. Generation 1, first generation. Okay, so mitotic division 1. Two cells into 4 cells. Generation 2. Number of mitotic divisions 2. Next, 2 cells into generation 3, 8 cells. Okay, so mitotic divisions, how many? 4. So each generation, how many minutes? 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Just I'm explaining the concept. I'll give you a shortcut for this one. 20 minutes. So 20 minutes, 20 minutes. How many minutes? 60 minutes. So what about the total number of cells produced? How many? 8 or not? 8.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How to answer? Very simply. Okay, so formula required is 2 to the power n.
N.
Yes, with the help of that you can answer. Okay, so first how to use this one. Now, what about the total number of minutes? Total number of minutes. Here I'm using 60 minutes divided by
20.
each generation. How many? Yeah, each generation 20 minutes. Now you will get a number of generations. How to calculate number of generations? So now calculate number of, hello, please mute. Please mute. Number of generations. How to calculate number of generations? Okay, so total time, minutes, 60 minutes divided by one generation time, 20 minutes per generation. So we will get a 3 generations. 3 generations. Okay. So in this case, what is out of 2n? What is n and what is 2? We should know. N is number of generations. Number of generations. Okay, what is this 2? 2 cells from one mother cell. Okay, so now use that one. 2 to the power n, 2 to the power. How many generations? 3. So 2 into 2 into 2. How many? 8 cells. Follow this formula, you can answer it. But you should know what about how to calculate number of generations. Any objection? Is it clear? Any objection?
No, sir.
Copy it.
Complete, sir.
Okay, now I am erasing the board.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please wait.
Wait a
Wait.
Hello, sir.
Yes, completed.
Sir, generation third దగ్గర మైటాసిస్ 3 గా నేమ్ సార్.
ఏంటమ్మా?
థర్డ్ జనరేషన్ దగ్గర మైటాసిస్ 4 అని రాశారు కదా సార్.
Yes, I చెప్తాను. Next. See, 1 cell with 1 mitoid division, 2 cells with 2 mitoid divisions, 4 cells, 4 mitoid divisions, total number of mitoid divisions.
ఓకే సార్.
అది నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను. Okay. Now I am erasing the board. Right? Second one. One cell, one plant cell divides into two cells for every 10 minutes. For every 10 minutes. Okay. And this cell continued cell division for 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. After 1 hour, after 1 hour, only 50% daughter cells continued cell division for 1 more hour. 1 more hour. Okay. Now, what is the total number of cells? That is the question. Is it clear? Any objection? Check the data. Is it sufficient or not?
No, sir.
Okay. So data is sufficient.
Insufficient, sir.
How?
Not sufficient.
How insufficient?
Sir,
Sir, 2 power 11 cells, sir.
2 power 11. I doubtful. Actually, here 2 to the power n, I think it is not working. Wrong. Anybody?
That
No, sir, 2 power 14 maybe.
96 cells.
32 cells అంటే మళ్ళా 1 అవర్
96 cells.
Sir, total cells are 64, sir. After 1 hour, 32
okay.
2 power 5 will be again continuous mitosis. 2 power 5 into 2 power 6.
that 36 power 6.
Wait,
So 2
wait,
power
wait.
14, sir, maybe.
Generation.
32 1 more hour అంటే
Generation 1. Yeah. Generation 2. Third generation. Fourth generation. 5. And 6 generations possible there. 6th generation. So 64 up to here, correct. So now take 64.
32 plus 32.
Yeah, 32. 32.
plus 32
So
Sir, 2
32
power
stop.
5, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute. 64, 128, 256, Amma, check it.
Yes, sir.
5, 12,
12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1024, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2048 plus this one
2 power 5. 32.
plus 32
Yes, sir.
together.
2080.
2080. Yeah, 80. That is the answer.
So we can make it, sir.
Are you getting a 2 to the
Easily.
power 5? 2 to the power 5.
Yes, sir. Here we can write directly, sir. It is up to 2 power 6 means 32. 32 is 2 power 5. Here it is 2 power 5, 2 power 5. 2 power 5 into 2 power 6 gives us 2048 plus 32.
Okay.
We can add, sir.
32 you have to add. Separately you have to add.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So directly how much you took 2 to the power? In the
Sir,
place
up
of
to
n.
here 2 power 5, 2
Ah,
power 5, sir.
Here okay. For that one,
So here I have divided 32 means 2 power 5. Here also 2 power 5. For every cell 2 power n times. So 2 power 5 cells into 2 power 6. I get 2 power 11. 2 power 11 gives me 2048 plus 32.
Okay. So you added like this: 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 6.
2 power 11.
Yeah, 2 power 11.
It gives me 2048, sir. After adding
Yes.
2080.
Yeah, you have to add this one separately, 32.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, copy it. Take down.
Yes, sir.
Any objection? Shall I erase the board? Copy that one. ఒక తీసుకో ఎంతమంది అడిగాగా తీసుకో వద్దా ఒకటి తీసుకో వద్దా అదే తీసుకో ఏదైనా ఒకటి ఏది కావాలి ఈ రెండిట్లో ఇష్టం ఓకే నౌ ఐఎమ్ erasing the board.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so anyhow today enough and tomorrow we will see certain number of sums. Okay,
sir.
right. Bye, see you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.